Hi, this is a short demo on the smart energy system. So let's take a look here on my left hand side here. You see this energy meter, the Chalvin Anox Memo P200 three-phase energy meter, but currently it has been configured to do a single phase measurement. So in this box here, I have a socket outlet and it's connected to a hair dryer as a load. Now moving over here, I have the NI Myrio, which is an embedded controller, and it also has come with the temperature sensor. There's a light sensor and also a buzzer, right? And then of course I have the software LabVIEW that is running. So maybe I will just initiate to run this program. Okay, so the system will initialize and launch at the same time. Yes, it will also show the Ngee Ann Polytechnic, our N43 diploma in electrical engineering as well. So welcome to the E-class. All right, then he will switch over to this particular page where I can do a few things. So maybe I would start off by looking at some settings. So in this setting page, I can set some threshold values for the alarm alert. So currently I've set it to 31 degrees Celsius and also for the light intensity at 0.8. So I'll put it back here. I'm going to then click on the view sensor. All right. So when I click on view sensor, yes, what you see is that it's actually monitoring, a simple monitoring of the temperature and the light intensity level. So I will briefly brief you over to this part here. Now I'm going to put, this is the light sensor. I'm going to put my finger to cover the light sensor. Notice that the alarm will trigger. Yeah, as you can see over here, along with a buzzer. So imagine now I'm going to remove my index finger. Yeah, so the buzzer will go off and also the light alert will be switched off as well. So if I put my finger over it again, you can see that on the left hand side is the chart that shows the light intensity value. Yeah, okay, so it has fallen below certain level. And on the other side, I'm going to use my index finger to touch on the temperature sensor. All right, and you will see that the temperature will gradually rise. Okay, so yeah, so once the temperature rises to above the threshold value, the alarm can be turned on. Now what I would like to share with you next is the moving along, I'm going to mouse over to the next thing, which is on the smart energy meter. So I would like to monitor the smart energy meter. So what it does is that the controller is connected to the energy meter, right? So I'm going to switch over to the energy meter. This is the front, the graphic user interface in LabVIEW. So you can see that there's a very furious flashing of the light, which indicates that this embedded controller is communicating with the energy meter. I will skip the technical jargons at this point in time. So I just want to say that currently is reading about 240 volts, right? And the embedded controller is relaying that data back into the LabVIEW front panel. So you can see that the data is live, so data is feedback and is displayed on the LabVIEW front panel. So maybe a last thing that I want to share with you is on the current. So if I were to turn on this hair dryer, the small hair dryer that I have, right? So I'm going to face it this way. I'm going to switch it on. So let's take a look at the hair dryer side. It is drawing at about 2.23 ampere of current, right? So when I bring it back to my LabVIEW program here, okay, I will click on the current. So you can see that the current is 2.23. Right, the measured current is exactly the same as the current that is drawn by the hair dryer, and it's shown. Okay, so I'm going to off the switch. Yeah, it goes back to my voltage. So yes, so this is part of the demonstration that I hope to share during the e-class. Thank you.